Ever wondered why importing products from China to Pakistan can seem like an uphill battle? Maybe you've experienced the headaches of documentation or the complexities of customs clearance. Well, worry no more. This video will break down the process into digestible steps, making it easier than ever. First things first, identify the products you wish to import. China's market is vast, offering a plethora, let's say, from electronics to furniture and everything in between. Research is key here. Understand the demand for your chosen product in Pakistan and ensure it complies with the country's import regulations. Next, find a reliable supplier. Platforms like Alibaba and Made in China are great starting points. Remember, communication is vital. Discuss product specifications, payment terms, and delivery timelines to avoid any surprises down the line. Once the supplier is locked in, it's time to tackle the paperwork. The most important document you'll need is the bill of lading, a legal agreement between you and the carrier. It acts as a receipt of shipment and a title of the goods. Other documents include the commercial invoice, packing list, and the certificate of origin. Now comes the exciting part, shipping. You have two options, air and sea. Air shipping is faster, but more expensive, while sea shipping is cost-effective, but time-consuming. The choice depends on your budget and how quickly you need the products. Upon arrival in Pakistan, the goods must clear customs. This process involves paying duties and taxes and ensuring your goods comply with Pakistan's import regulations. Hiring a customs agent can simplify this process, as they're well-versed in the country's customs laws and procedures. Last but not least, arrange for local transportation to get your goods from the port to your warehouse or store. Make sure to choose a reliable logistics provider to ensure your goods arrive safely and on time. The journey of importing goods from China to Pakistan might feel like a marathon, but remember, every step is crucial. From identifying the right product and supplier, tackling the necessary paperwork, choosing the right shipping method, clearing customs, and finally, arranging for local transportation. Each phase plays a vital role in the successful import of your goods. It's also important to stay updated with any changes in import regulations and duties, as these can greatly affect your business operations and profitability. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to importing goods from China to Pakistan. While it may seem daunting at first, with the right information and resources, it's a challenge that can be conquered. Happy importing!